Over the past few episodes of Onboard Lifestyle, Basic launched after a productive haul-out with the plan to set sail northbound, only to be delayed by an unexpected family situation. With my mom now with me, the captain stayed behind to prepare Basic for her upcoming travels, and it was just enough time to completely paint the cockpit, and not only rebuild and paint the port sugar scoop, but also do the same to the starboard scoop, off camera as well. Let's pick up our story as the shorthanded crew is back together in Panama, making the last-minute preparations before hitting the open seas.
Okay, it's hard to wrap my head around this. It's been a while. Okay, needs to go over the top. 2 or 3 laps on here before I secure it. Right? Over the top.
Sure. I think you can figure this one out better than I can. It's just I feel like it's all backwards.
I remember when we originally did this, it was kind of, we'd pull on it, it would go the wrong direction. That was years ago. How long ago was that?
I don't know. But I did replace the line about a year ago? A year and a half ago?
Yeah, where was that?
In Barra.
Yeah. Okay. There we go.
That's it?
That's it. Okay, let's feed this through and see what happens. Okay, everything's rigged. Doing the final pull in here. How's it feel? Like everything's running smooth?
Yeah, we've done it before.
Nothing.
The wind died.
Well, that's good. We don't want wind right now.
I know.
Okay. On to the next thing, which is the main. Well, I'm not looking forward to this. This thing weighs how much?
A lot. Okay, I don't know how you're gonna do this.
Just grab as low as you can. Ready? You want the handle?
I'm hanging.
Let's go. Get it up here, flop it up like a dead body. See? Easy.
Wind's a little low right now, so it's time to put up the main.
It's our only little window in the last couple days. But time's running out. We got, what, we're leaving tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning. We have had a busy morning. We checked out this morning. with the help of our agent. He took care of the paperwork, sent me a copy of the Zarpe, and I took it over to immigration, which happens to be right here in the marina, to get our passport stamped. So we are done with that. I've already contacted the other agent in San Andreas, so he is ready for our arrival. In the meantime, we have been trying to just get all the last minute projects done here so that we can take off. I'm doing laundry, been doing it all morning. We hoisted the sail. It feels so good to finally be a real sailboat again. Teal's working on some reef points. Looks like it's gonna be a beam reach, I think, for the entire trip, but we got a little chop, so it might not be very comfortable, but other than that, everything looks favorable. I'm excited to get out of here and finally be sailing, be at anchor. And what do you think, Teal?
I think we're getting close.
It's gonna be kind of weird because this is our first time leaving without Emma. It's gonna be a little different, but it'll be fun.
It will be fun. She'll be fine. She won't worry about us. She doesn't care anymore.
Hey guys, just wanted to give you a little update about what I've been up to lately. I have been in school for the past few months and I have really been enjoying it. I am so grateful that my parents have always prioritized my education and my future, and that is something that we've put a big focus on lately. I have been just planning and preparing a lot because I've always known that I wanted to go to college, and that's coming up. And so as I enter this new chapter of life, I've just been having a lot of normal teen experiences and normal school experiences that have really been helping me. Not to say I'm never going back to basic. She'll always be a part of my life, and who knows, I might go back. You know, that door is always open, and I know it is. I really miss the traveling lifestyle, and it'll always be a part of me. So with that being said, I'm happy, I'm alive, and I just cannot be more grateful for all the support I've been getting. It's been a lot of really big changes lately, and I'm grateful for you guys, I'm grateful for my parents, and I'm super excited to see them when they bring Basic back to the States. And I know Compass is excited to see them too. Right, baby? Hello!
Oh, stop. We'll see her in probably about a month or so, give or take, just depending on the weather. But just, yeah, this is our new normal now. For a little bit.
For a little bit.
It has been a long day, guys, but it's not over yet because we have one last thing to install prior to getting out of here. And that is something that I have been wanting to do for a very long time. We are putting in our new Mantis bridal.
And it's beefy.
Look at that beast.
Look at the hardware on this. This is just...
Yeah.
You know what though? Take a look at this. This is...
Our old, tired bridal.
This thing we've had for...
We've seen this thing. This baby has seen us through a lot of stuff.
It's time.
I don't trust it anymore.
Yeah, this last year, look at this. The UV's breaking it down. It's just falling apart.
It's time.
Yes, it is more than time. I'll save the hardware and toss the rest. That's about it.
Yeah.
But let's get this new one on. I'm excited to throw this one on.
Yes, so we picked this up when we were back in the States. Got to tour the Mantis facilities. Hung out with Greg and Philip and the crew. Awesome guys.
Yeah, that was nice, wasn't it?
Yeah. And they sent us off with this beautiful bridal. It is sure to keep us pointing into the wind.
Look at this.
So thank you, Mantis. Look at that. You look like a kid in a candy store.
I feel like it.
Or a marine store in your case. New toys. Boys and their toys.
Man. I mean, look at this. Look at the size of this hardware.
Well, it's rated for our boat. Oh, I think it's a little oversized for our boat, right?
Well, yeah. We kind of tend to oversize when it comes to ground tackle.
Yeah, we're
always
oversized.
Overestimate a little. Don't underestimate. Okay, I'm gonna get this old bridle off here. Well, I like that. That was about the easiest project I've had in a long time. Okay, here's our old bridle. I've removed the hardware. I'll just donate those to a worthy cause, see if anybody wants them. Somebody might have a use for them somewhere. I'm sure they will. But I just spent the last few minutes putting seizing wire on all those connections. I tightened them nice and tight first, and then put my seizing wire on. I used a real heavy gauge, but those look beefy. God, I'm liking that. I'm liking that a lot, actually. So, what's up?
Nothing. Just checking out our new bridle.
I know, for some reason, I'm just smiling. I mean, I love it. It's so shiny and new, and
so pretty.
Yes, it is. It's pretty. We'll be actually deploying this tomorrow for the first time, and we'll see how it looks. It's quite a bit larger than our last one. The hardware's beefier. The length's a little bit longer. It's designed for our boat. The last one we had, I have no clue. I mean, we picked it up at a flea market, I think. Yeah. It wasn't designed for our boat, but it did its purpose, so kept us safe for a few years. Okay, now it's just time for dinner. I smell something cooking. What are we having?
I don't know. What are you cooking?
Lynn has a bit of fun mocking my culinary skills, and I don't blame her. Over the past few months, Lynn has been absent from her galley, and I was forced to fend for myself. I think I did okay with my meal preparations, which usually consist of some sort of protein over some sort of pasta, throw in some vegetables, and then bind it all together with packaged gravy. Needless to say, I can make the meals look good in a photograph, but that was about it. I always look forward to Lynn's cooking every time she returns.
Oh, no. I am not cooking anymore.
Wait, you're not cooking anymore?
No.
I thought you enjoy it.
I enjoy it. Okay, I'll cook something with gravy.
No.
Exactly.
And she never, ever disappoints.
Okay, we are officially checked out of the marina. We checked out of the country as well. So, all systems a go.
It's getting real.
It's good getting real.
Getting real.
It's just a nice feeling to just kind of button everything up here.
Yeah.
Our time in Panama is officially over.
Yeah, it's been fun. Panama, we've been here a long time, but it's
Almost too long.
We've met a lot of nice people.
Yeah, it's been nice, a nice change. But I think it's time to go see new areas and just get back to sailing again.
And look at this.
We do have to do a little shakedown though.
I know. We'll have a shakedown today. We'll test our systems before we get too far away.
Tighten up any rigging that needs to be tightened up.
Yep. We'll test fire the engines, make sure they're good. Our only hard part of getting out is we have a little bit of grass that is seagrass that has grown overnight.
I know. It's but the good thing is we have a lead blocker. There's another sailboat that is going out right before us. So hopefully it clears a little pathway. Otherwise, that's going to be a little bit of a concern just because we don't want to get sucked into our intakes getting out of here. So Teal is a little nervous. I guess I am too, but not really.
We'll make it.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground.
Alright, we are heading right into all of this growth. Hopefully nothing gets tangled and we're good.
I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep.
There's the Lori Sue. I had a chance to spend some time with Billy and Sierra before we left, which was really nice. And hopefully we'll catch up with them soon.
So all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream.
Thank you! Water flow looks good.
Good. Okay, now back to the helm rather than steering with engines.
Yeah.
Woo, okay, we made it through. I was worried about sucking some of that up in a sea strainer, but
I was too, so.
we'll get out here and I'll check the sea strainers, make sure they're not packed. But besides that, that went pretty smooth.
Alright, hun.
Here we go.
This is it.
Emma, we miss you.
Yeah, it's just, it's nice and it's strange at the same time.
I know.
Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by. Tries to carry all the whispers that it finds.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. A special thanks goes out to our amazing patrons whose generous support drives the production of our videos. Join our crew if you can. It's definitely a bittersweet time in my life, but these changes are to help me prepare for my future. Life on Basic will be a little bit different, but it's time to set the sails and push forward. Come back next week as the crew is forced to alter course after making a gut-wrenching decision. See you then!